Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
I hope all are keeping well. Yes,
Yes.
safe at
Yes.
home. Okay, so let's continue with our math class. Yesterday we started add and subtract like fractions.
Like
Add
fraction.
and subtract like fractions.
Like fraction.
How we can add or subtract? Who can give me that answer? If anyone is not was not there in the last class, they have to understand. So who can help me? How we can add or yes, Agna?
While adding like fraction, add only their numerator.
Very good. Add only the numerators. And what about the denominator? It will be the same denominator because we know like fractions mean. Who can give me what is like fraction, Devananda? What is like fraction?
The fraction with the denominator same.
Same. Very good. Same denominator. See, children, same denominator. Fractions with same denominators in called like fractions. And how we can add like fractions? Agna said that we have to add only the numerators. And for subtraction also, what we have to do? Subtract only the numerator. So let's continue with our word problems. That is page number 15 from math workbook. Page number 15, question number 14, we are going to do. Anyone not completed, maybe absent, I will send the notes today. Okay, we are have completed till question number 13. Now we have to. Yes, Angelina, I can see you. Okay. Now, Alvina Anthony, can you read question number 14 louder? Question 14, page number 15.
In the given figure, find the fraction represented by the unshaded parts. Also, find the fraction of the shaded parts using subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay, children, look here. We can see, yes, as we discussed yesterday, we can see from the picture how many parts shaded, yes, and how many parts not shaded. But if they are saying us to use subtraction, what we have to do? We have to subtract from the full. How we will get the full? The numerator and denominator will be the yes. Yesterday we have done question number 13. Do you remember? If they are same, numerator and denominator are same, that is the full, the whole. Okay, from that we have to subtract the shaded part. So we will get the unshaded part. From the full, if you are subtracting unshaded, you will get the shaded parts. So question number 14, she was reading what we have to do. Find the fraction of the shaded using subtraction. So we can write together, children. We have done question number 13, same like that yesterday. So we can continue with our problems. We can write together. So first one, what we'll write? See, children, this is page. Question number 14, page number 15. All the children, please take page 15. Question number 14. Total number of parts. See, please don't speak in together. I will call one by one. Only those persons or children are allowed to say the answer. Total, Siddhartha, tell me, total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts. How many parts this picture is divided into? Look at the picture.
13.
Question number 14. Please count again. Please count again.
Ma'am, I am only.
Okay, Andrea, please look at the page number 15. We just started. Question number 14.
12.
12. Yes. See, count properly. You are wearing specs, my dear. I hope you can see clearly now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So it's 12 parts. Okay, children. You have to do everything carefully because we know math. We need more concentration. Okay. So total number of equal parts is given as 12. Now what we have to do? Fraction for unshaded. Ayan, please don't touch the screen. Fraction for unshaded. Fraction for unshaded. What we have to find out? Fraction for shaded using subtraction. So fraction for unshaded we can see from the picture. Fraction for Naila, look at the picture and tell me how many parts not shaded and what is the fraction for that?
10 by 12.
How many parts shade? Unshaded. Unshaded means not shaded. How many parts not shaded?
2 by 12.
Yes, 2 by 12. Okay. So unshaded means how many parts not shaded. Now, children, what we have to find? We have to find a fraction for shaded. Fraction for shaded. See, children, it's clear from the picture how many parts are shaded. But which method we have to use here? Subtraction. So we have to use, you have to follow the same method, that is subtraction method. Fraction for shaded. So what is the total, children, here? Total?
12.
12. So total, the whole means 12 by 12. Yes? 12 divided by 12. That is the full. From the whole, we have to subtract the unshaded. Unshaded is given 2 by 12. So when you subtract from the whole, if you subtract the unshaded, you will get the shaded parts. That is fraction for shaded. Find out the answer and tell me.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 12 minus 2.
12. 8 by 12.
12 minus 2?
10.
10. But somebody told 8. Somebody told 8. Yes? Maybe I heard like that. Or someone. Okay. Those who don't know 10 minus 2, 12 minus 2. I think they have to go back to where? LKG? Where you are learning 10 minus 2, LKG or UKG? Okay, so children, do carefully. We are simple one, but you have to do everything carefully. Okay, 12 minus 2. What is that? 10. 10 by 12. 10 by 12. See what we have written the first step, the total number of parts, that is 12. Now what we have done, fraction for unshaded, that we have to find out from the picture, that is 2 by 12. Now fraction for shaded also we can find from the easily from the picture given, but we have to use subtraction. For that, what we have to do? From the total, that is the full 12 by 12, you have to take away the unshaded parts, that is 2 by 12. So answer is 10 by 12. Clear, children? It's clear? Yes. Now we are going to do the next question. Ameya, can you read question number 15?
Given figure, find the fraction.
Little more louder, can you?
In the given figure, find the fraction represented by shaded parts using addition. Then find the fraction represented by the unshaded parts using subtraction.
Okay. So before writing question number 15, children, you have to write two questions there, A and B. So according to that, you have to adjust the space. A on the left side, B on the right side. Okay. Adjust the space before writing. Now, before starting, Irene, can you tell me in question number A, which all colors are there?
Ma'am, blue, white, and gray.
White means what is that? Unshaded. Okay, unshaded, not colored. Okay, how many gray parts are there?
2.
How many blue?
2.
4. So children, they are asking, look at the question again. Shaded parts using addition. So what we had to do? How many parts gray plus how many parts blue? Okay, so we will get the total number, total shadables. So let's write together. Okay, children. So I told you, you have to write question number A and B, adjust the spacing before start writing. After some time, otherwise you will say there is no space. So question number 15. I hope all of you have completed 14. Yes?
Yes.
Question number 15. I told you here you can write A and here you can do B. Adjust. Now question number A. Total parts. Total parts. I will ask one by one. No need to say together. And Leah, look at question number A. You can see a circle. Total, how many parts are there? It is divided into how many total equal parts?
8.
8. Okay. 8 parts are there. So first we will write.
Mom has gone to the top.
Okay, okay, my dear, I'm doing. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so here total parts is 8. Okay, now fraction for gray color. Fraction for gray color. Andrea, look at that picture. Fraction for gray color. How many gray color? And tell me the fraction.
2 by 8.
I'm just is it 2 by 8? Yes. See, children, I'm just writing fraction for gray because I think there will not be enough space to write gray parts. If you can write fraction for gray parts, you can write that gray. That is 2 by 8. 2 by 8. And this is page number 16. Page number 16, question number 15A. Now, fraction 4. Now, mute your device. Some disturbance. Fraction for blue. Okay, fraction for blue. Hannah, tell me fraction for blue. How many are there with blue color?
4 by 8.
4 by 8. Now, children, we are going to find this total shaded parts. Fraction for shaded parts. Fraction for shaded means we can add gray color plus blue color. That is, find the fraction for shaded using addition. Fraction for shaded. So we can write here 2 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Alvina, please tell me what is that fraction for shaded while adding?
Ma'am,
You can add a 4 plus 2 and tell me the answer.
ma'am, 6.
Yes, 6 by
8.
8.
By
The denominator, there is no change. Okay, look at here, children. We are adding like fractions. Add only numerators. Next, what we have to find out here, fraction for unshaded using subtraction. That is the next step we have to do. Fraction for unshaded. Fraction for unshaded. So we have to subtract from the full, the whole. So what will be the full, the whole? How many parts total? 8. So what will be the full? 8 by 8. The whole, the 1 here. That is 8 by 8 minus. See, children, you have to, fraction for unshaded is given by 8 by 8 minus, what do you have to do? Subtract the shaded parts. So the shaded part is 6 by 8. So children, look here what we have to do, how we can find the fraction for unshaded. From the full, that is 8 by 8. You have to subtract or take away the shaded parts. So 6 by 8. Gaurinanda, tell me the answer. 8 minus 6. What's that, Gauri? 8 minus 6.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, tell me. 2 by 8. Okay, children. So look at the picture, whether it is correct. How many unshaded parts you can see from the picture?
2 by 8.
2 itself, yes. So our answer is correct. See, children, we have found out the answer using subtraction, but we can also identify or make it see that whether it is correct or wrong by checking from the figure given. Okay, now next you have, please try to do alone. Question number B. What do you have to do first? Total parts. Then again there, which all colors are there? Dia Maria, look at question number B and tell me which all colors are there.
Blue.
Gray and blue. Again, the same colors. So you can repeat the same steps. So children, we can write here question number B. I told you to, you can write on the right side. Total parts. Adinada. How many total parts you can see from question number B? Adinath. Yes, Adinath. How many total parts you can see in question number B?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell me.
10.
10. Okay, 10. Okay, now do the same steps. Fraction for gray, fraction for blue, fraction for shade. But don't say the answer louder. Okay, let everyone do alone. All of you, this is very easy. You have to try alone. Fraction for gray. Then you had to write fraction for blue. Okay, fraction for gray, fraction for blue, then fraction for shaded. Yes, Angeline, tell me fraction for gray color. Look at question number B.
Ma'am, 4.
4 by fraction means there is a numerator and denominator. 4 by 10.
4
4 by 10. So numerator by denominator, that is fraction form. Advait, can you give me a fraction for blue color, Advait? Blue color?
Ma'am, I'm not completed.
Okay. Not completed, no problem. You can see from the picture. Yes, Devananda, fraction for blue color?
3 by 10.
3 by 10. 3 by 10. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to use addition for fraction for shaded parts. Fraction for shaded means we had to do 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, I have a bit space only.
I told you, my dear, you can write these in same sentence. Same sentence. Please adjust and write.
I adjusted.
Very good. Irene, tell me the answer. 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. 4 plus 3.
Ma'am, 7 by 10.
7 by 10. Very good. 7 by 10. Now we had to write only one sentence more. Okay, so adjust the space. That's why I told you before starting this question.
Ma'am, I have 3 lines.
Okay, children, you can start. Right.
Ma'am, I have more space to write.
Okay, my dear. Total parts is
I
given
have
and fraction for gray color, fraction for blue, fraction for shaded we have found using addition. Now fraction for
unshaded.
Unshaded. How to find? Using subtraction. So Akshara, tell me what we have to do here. Fraction for unshaded. We have to subtract from the total. So what will be the total here?
10 by 10.
Very good. 10 by 10. Then we had to subtract the shaded parts. Shaded is 7
by
10. So the answer 10 minus 7. Find out the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer. I also got the answer.
Okay, wait. I will ask.
Got the answer.
Okay, Gavri, tell me the answer. Gavri.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer? 10 minus 7 by 10. 10 minus 7.
Ma'am, they have another answer. Ma'am, 3.
Yes, 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Okay. So all of you, what we are doing here, understood? We have to find out the fraction for unshaded. So we had to subtract from the total. Total means the whole. 10 by 10 minus 7 by 10. Okay. So like the same, children, we have question number 16. Question number 16. Anna Rose, can you take question number 16 and read? Anna Rose, yes.
In the given figure, use addition to find the fraction represented by the
unshaded, represented by the unshaded. So children, the same we have to do. Look at here also we have question number A and question number B. And Adiga, which all question number A, which colors are there? Can you see?
Orange and red.
Question number A,
Ma'am, orange and red.
orange and red. What about Siddharth? Which all colors you can see there?
Orange, red and unshaded.
Orange. So here we can write here a yellow and red. Okay, yellow and red. Question number. So children, all of you have completed question number
Yes,
15.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now so the same method you are going to write alone. So total parts count and the fraction for yellow, fraction for red.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I
Ma'am,
am.
can you share the screen?
Not finished, I asked.
Ma'am,
Okay, right.
question.
So children, please start question number 16A. Question number 16A. Don't say the answers. Okay, total parts we had to count and write here total number of parts. And the fraction for yellow. Find out. Then next fraction for red. Yes, Abhinav, can you give me the total parts? Question number 8.
10.
10. Total parts is 10. And fraction for yellow, Dia Maria, yellow color. Fraction for yellow, how many are there with yellow?
And 3.
3. So how the fraction will be? 3 by 10. 3 by 10.
Ma'am, it is.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in red it is 4.
Okay. 4 by 10.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it's 3.
Yellow is 3 and red it is 4. So we have written yellow, fraction for yellow color, that is 3 by 10, and fraction for red color is. Now, Andrea, what we will write the next step? We have to find
Fraction for shaded.
shaded. Okay,
Shaded.
fraction for shaded means we have to use addition. Fraction for shaded. Fraction for shaded. So which all colors are there? We have to write here. 3 by 10 by 4, 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, wait. 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10. Find out the answer. Someone's audio have disturbance. Please mute your device.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Wait. Now write fraction for unshaded. Find out that also. Then on we will discuss. Fraction for unshaded. Fraction for unshaded. Yes, Deros, tell me fraction for shaded.
7 by 10.
So we have here 7 by 10. Okay. Now how to find out the fraction for unshaded? Unshaded. Total minus shaded. So who can give me here? Alvina? What will be the total?
Ma'am, 10 by 10.
Yes, very good. 10 by 10 minus the shaded part. So 7 by 10. What's that?
3 by
3
10.
by 10. 3 by 10. Very good.
10.
So children, like the same, please complete question number B. Okay, question number B also total parts. Then which all colors are there? Write the fraction. Then write the fraction for shaded, and you have to find out fraction for unshaded.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this was present in the beginning.
Okay, Anna Grace is okay. I will check. So children, please complete this question number B. It's very easy. Yes. So I will send the notes. If any incomplete work also, you have to complete by the next class. Okay, children. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.